Hi, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be looking at the Defunc Bluetooth basic earbuds. We've recently posted a video on the channel for the basic headphones. If you haven't seen that, go and check it out. But today, like I say, we're going to be talking earbuds. So a little bit of history. Defunc have had basic earbuds in the range for a while now, but they've been a wired version. So basically 3.5mm jack, and then 4 different versions of the earbuds. So there's a talk version, a music version, a sport version, and a hybrid version. And each of those come in 4 different colors. So you've got black, white, pink, and cyan. I've got a couple of examples here. I don't have examples of all of them, but I do have a couple. So what I've got here is an example of the white talk. So as you can see, there's an inline control there. Okay, nice bit of Defunc branding on that one, which is always a nice touch. And then the earbuds themselves hang in the ears so they don't block out all of the surrounding noise, which are ideal for obviously when you're having a conversation. I've also got an example of the hybrids. So the hybrids are basically a bit of everything all mixed into one. So again, you've got your 3.5mm jack, you've got your nice inline mic again, and then you've got a different shaped earbud which gives you the best of all worlds when it comes to the basic earbuds. Today we're going to be looking at the Bluetooth version of the basic earbuds. So as you can see here, what we've got is 4 different versions and 4 different colors. So I've got the basic talk in white, I've got the basic hybrid in black, I've got the basic music in cyan, and the basic sport in pink. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the top off these bags, we're going to take out the earbuds, and we're going to have a little look at each of them individually. The bags themselves, they're all resealable bags. They come with a clip strip inside them. So when you cut the top off, you can actually store your earbuds back in here again and keep them protected from, dust and water and all sorts of stuff. It's nice and sealed at the moment, but when you clip that strip back together, it reseals them. So I've actually tested the original basic earbuds. So I've got here the packet for the hybrids, for the original ones, and like I say, you've got a clip strip in there. So when you clip that back together, it does actually make it waterproof. Now I tested that with some tissue paper. I put that in there, sealed it back up, popped it in some water, dunked it around a little bit, and sure enough, the tissue paper came out bone dry. So as long as you clip that strip back together properly, there's no reason why you can't protect your earbuds from water, which is very handy. Okay, so next thing for me to do then is to take the top off these, get inside and have a little look. Okay, so what I've done is I've opened the top on 3 here, but what I wanted to show you is that these actually have a little nick in them there, so that you can actually rip these and tear the top off. Okay, now you're not going to guarantee a nice straight cut if you do that, so I'd always recommend using scissors so that you can reuse the bag if you want to. Obviously if you're not bothered about reusing the bag, then just rip them open, take your earbuds out and happy days. But in my opinion, you just run the scissors along like so, and then open the top up, open the clip strip, and you're in. Okay, in my opinion, that's the best option. Okay, so what we've got then is we now have all 4 of the products, all with the tops open, ready to take a look. So I'll move a couple of these to the side for now. We will start with the talk. So again, we've got the talk in white. So when you open the bag, you've got manual. Okay, so the manual comes in many different languages. Okay, pretty standard stuff. Okay, we'll pop that to the side, and then we also have a warranty card. Okay, many different languages, again standard stuff. We'll pop that to the side as well. And then now this is my first look at these. Okay, so I'm with you here, and something fell off. Okay, it's actually the charger that fell out. Okay, so you've got your charger here for the earbuds. Okay, so micro USB, and then the earbuds themselves. Okay, so like I say, these are basic entry-level Bluetooth earbuds. They go with the original ones that I showed you at the beginning of the video, the wired variant. But these are Bluetooth version. So like I say, these are the talk ones. So you get you've got your control panel there, so you can actually listen to music through these as well. And then you've got your mic input there, and then your earbuds. So the earbuds shaped, as I mentioned before with the previous ones, so they hang in your ear, so they don't block out all of the outside noise, which is ideal for when you're having a conversation. So yeah, very straightforward. No wires, apart from obviously the wire going from the box to the earbuds, but no wire connecting it to your device. Okay, let's move that onto the side. We'll look at the next one. So we'll take a look at the sports now. So we've got the sports here in the pink version. So what I will do is take the same cards out that we had in the previous one. Oh, in this one we also have extra versions of the rubber earbuds. Okay, so looks like there is another 2 sets in there, which is handy. And then if we take the buds out, we've got the charging cable again. And then this time what we've got is we've got the sport version, which as soon as I get these untangled, there we go, we'll take a look at. So again, you've got your inline controls there. Okay, volume controls and answer and hang up or play and pause. And then you've got your different shaped earbud. These ones hook into the ear, nice and rubbery, so they should slot in nicely and stay lodged in there while you're doing your workout or enjoying your run. So these ones are slightly different shaped. They don't have the clip like the Talk ones do, but they basically go into your ears, and then the wire just hangs either in front or behind your head. Straightforward enough. Okay, very good. So we'll move these ones over to the side now and move on to the next ones, which are the music ones in cyan. Okay, so again, we shall take out the paperwork and then replacement buds in here as well. Okay, so these ones, you have a large version of the bud and a small version of the bud, and then the actual earbuds themselves have the medium version on there. So again, charging cable. So these ones optimized for music, so when you pop them in your ears, they block out pretty much all of the outside noise and let you focus completely on the music that you have. Similar kind of design to the sport ones, apart from the earbud shape. So you've got your inline controls again. Okay, so you've got your volume controls, play and pause, and then on the side, something I didn't look at on the other ones, is a little cover that you open there to actually charge the devices. Okay, so that'll be standard on all of them. But again, those ones are the ones that are optimized for music. Move them to the side. And then the final ones that we've got here are the hybrid edition. So again, you get rid of the warranty and the user instructions. Charging cable, this time in black. Okay, and then the earbuds themselves. Okay, so these ones, like the Talk, don't come with additional earbud covers because they do not have earbud covers. They're just a molded fit. Okay, so these ones, as you can see, are molded to suit the ear. Okay, and then further down the line, very similar to the music offering and the sport offering, you got your inline controls. Okay, charging port on the side there, plus and minus, and then play and pause in the middle there. But because of the hybrid, they're also partly optimized for talking as well, so these can also be used to talk on. So that is the Defunc basic range for the Bluetooth editions. So if we bring the packaging back over, you can actually see here, like I say, you've got the 4 different versions. Okay, so we've got the hybrid, the Talk, the music, and the sport. And like I say, each one comes in these 4 different colors. So you can get the hybrid in any of these 4 colors, the Talk in any of the 4 colors, the music in any of the 4 colors, and of course the sports in all of the 4 colors as well. In my opinion, it's a very, very good offering at a very, very competitive price. I'll leave a link to Amazon in the description below so that you can go and check them out for yourselves. But like I say, in my opinion, it's a very good range. It doesn't just give you one product that everybody says, you know, this will do everything you need it to do. You actually get to choose what you actually want it for, and then you can choose which color you want it in. And yeah, I mean, if sports is all you want it for, you just want a pair of earbuds to take to the gym with you, and obviously you've got the sport version, which is optimized for that purpose. If you need a set for hands-free talking, obviously you've got the talk version. If you need a pair just for when you're out and about listening to music, you've got the music version. And then if you need a little bit of everything, you can take the hybrid. Straightforward enough. Okay, so the only thing left for me to do is test the audio, which I will be doing, and I will post a comment below letting you know what my thoughts and feelings are on the audio quality, and also how it handles telephone calls, etc. And that is all from me. So I'll leave you on that one and let you make your decision. Like I say, link below to Amazon, so you can go off and have a look for yourself, and you can see just how competitively priced these are. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks for your time.